Have you ever looked in a plan and wondered how these walls are showing in gray color or why a particular family is not showing in the plan? Well, this is due to the visibility graphics. Visibility graphics helps us to manage the visibility of a particular view, be it plan, elevation, or a 3D view. We can manage the graphics of the view by going into the visibility settings. We can type into VV or VG to go into the visibility graphics.
In the visibility graphics, we have different categories. Like for model categories, we have a different dialog box in which we have families, walls, curtain walls, doors, etc. And similarly for annotations categories, we have tags, callouts, dimensions, and so on. So in order to keep things simple, we'll firstly discuss about these two categories. So in model categories, let's say I want my walls, which is currently showing in gray hatch. I want this to be a diagonal down hatch. I'll type W to go into the walls category, and here in the cut pattern, since the plan view is cut at a particular view range and the walls are cutting, I have to provide in the cut pattern, instead of solid fill, a diagonal down hatch. You can adjust the color also. If you want a background, you can provide the same. For example, can provide a solid fill where by keeping it into a particular color, and I just have to change this color because it needs to be darker to be shown. And if I click on OK, the hatch has been provided in this region.
Similarly, if I want to hide any particular category from our model, for example, I don't want to show doors in my particular view, I can do so by unticking it from the visibility box and press on OK. So the doors are still present in the project, but it is not being shown in this particular view due to the visibility graphics. If I go into the annotation categories, I can adjust the 2D objects like the text, the room tags, dimensions, spot elevations, and etc. For example, I don't want to show this spot elevation. I can go into spot elevation by going by typing S and going below. So I can just untick it and press on OK to remove it. Similarly, this is a room tag. If I want my room tag to be half tone, so I can go to my room tags and click on half tone category. The room tags will be half toned. Now, what if I want this visibility graphics in my other plans as well, like the ground floor or the second floor? Needless of going through all the process by adjusting the visibility graphics, here comes the part of view templates. So view templates just create a template for a particular view which can be used for other views as well. For example, we have created our view as view with the visibility graphics for this one, and I want the same visibility graphics for my ground floor and second floor as well. So for that, I have to create a view template by going into view, and in the view templates I just drop down it and I have to use create template from current view. I have to provide a name. Then this template has been made. First, I'll provide a view template by going into the properties, and in the identity data, you can find view template. Currently, it's set to none. If I click on this, we can find the template which we have made just now, Archi floor plan, and you press on OK. So the view template has been made. Now you can go into the ground floor and provide the same template by going here and selecting the Archi floor plan. The same settings has been provided for the ground floor as well. Similar way you can do for the second floor plan as well. Now, if I want to adjust my view template, I cannot adjust it by going into the visibility graphics by typing VG or VV, because we have provided a view template now. So in order to adjust this, we have to go into the view template now by clicking on this and going into the edit part, and now we can adjust everything. So if we adjust anything from here, the same will be applied to the other views as well in which we have applied a view template. So that's how you can master view templates in Revit, saving time, avoiding mistakes, and keeping your drawings clean and professional. If you find this helpful, like this video, subscribe to Archi Tools, and check out my new tutorial on view filters. It takes your template control to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.